today I'm going to be making an Easter visor. This is a visor. I'm going to first show you of the frogs that I made. And then I made this, and inside, this is this necklace. Okay, so first we're gonna need to show you the supplies to be able to make this. So I got this all from Michael's. So the first thing is the visor. Then I have feathers, glue, glitter, some beads, and some eyeballs, and some. So I'm just gonna start. So I'm gonna do glitter on the outside like this. So I got it this time. Now to spread this out, because it doesn't look that great, I'm gonna use some water. Just do this and go like this all the way around. Glitter time. I'm gonna be using this color, pink. Finished doing that. Now I'm going to be starting with some different color. I'm gonna do blue. No.
Because it's so hot. Gotta keep the sun right off your eyebrows. Look at that, how beautiful. Slay.
Thanks for watching this Easter visor. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.